Okay, so it is April. Sarah, what day is it today? April 11th? Okay, it is April 11th. Cutlass came out yesterday and drove it home, drove just fine. Checked some pressures and some fluids after the drive. Everything is fine, but we're replacing a couple parts and doing some maintenance. We're putting a new coil on it because it was getting when it was getting warm last year, it was starting to get a little miss every once in a while. So we're gonna put a new coil on. Eventually we'll put points on. Eventually I gotta order some tonight. We'll check the plugs. Bottom part of the radiator, this bung, the hose has been too large. I installed a step, a radiator hose spacer on the Vista Cruiser, and I have bought 2 of them to put the same one on here. So Sierra is cleaning out a drain pan. We're gonna drain the radiator, pop the hose off, put that hose spacer on. We're gonna pop the vents out of the battery, check our distilled water levels. You're gonna give it a rough tune-up. I mean, really doesn't need a tune-up right now. It got one before the end of last year, but I want to check the points. Maybe file them a little bit. Just see how clean they are. Yeah, we'll check the plugs too. We'll see how it's running. And we're gonna change the oil tonight as well. I've got my filters and oil on the shelf, so we'll give it a quick change. And then as far as the radio goes, my little Bluetooth AM original radio, that's where we're at. Wires hanging out of the bottom. I need to order a separate condenser to run the power to the Bluetooth unit, because that will take out any of the interference I was getting. I tested out on one other condenser in a separate circuit and it worked great, but whenever I shut the key off, the horn would stick on, so can't really do that. But yeah, that's about it. That's all we're doing today. The Cutlass.